If you're looking for camcorder, camera, and binocular straps, here's a collection you've got to see. Amazon UK Electronics. Camera and photo accessories, camcorder, camera, and binocular straps, best sellers 2017. Number 1, by Deyard. Watch this video and get inspired. Number 2, by Akaso. Number 3, by Tycka. For more info about these best sellers, just click the circle. Number 4, by Peak Design. Number 5. Find these camcorder, camera and binocular straps at up to 70% off by clicking the info circle. Number 6, by Baisy. Number 7, by Focus. Click the circle to find more amazing products and gift ideas. Number 8. Number 9, by Peak Design. Discover more camcorder, camera and binocular straps ideas and items to explore, click the circle. Number 10, by Joby.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.